glorious day on my glorious channel. Today I'm here with my little brother Jacob and we are going to make tortilla pizzas. Now, before I did this video, I had washed my hands. Guys, this is very hygienic.
Don't live on
Don't wash your hands, kids. You don't want to give anyone food poison. So what you'll need is a tray, a knife to like spread stuff.
I think it would be like
now the ingredients: some, I don't know if you see that, some tomato puree
and some ham,
some herbs, and some olives. You'll also need this mixture of cheddar and mozzarella cheese
and
grated.
And mostly, of course,
you'll need wraps
and
sweet corn
and some red and yellow peppers.
Then some pepperoni and tomatoes and some red onions. You don't need to have all these items. I'm not going to have them. So let's begin. Okay, so
let's get a wrap. One for you, Jasmine.
One for Jacob. And one for me. So I'm just going to go and start with a bit of tomato puree. It makes it a lot stickier for this food to stick on. Oh, you don't want a lid on it, guys. Okay, so you're just going to start with a little bit, like that much. Then that's what our knife's for, spreading.
Yeah, and now mine.
Oh, yep, yours. Don't spread a lot. So, guys, you're going to spread it. Try not to put too much on it. I just put enough to fill the whole thing. You might have to move it a little. That's what I had to do. You're doing really good. That looks like a poo emoji. Yours does.
That's why I wanted to do this.
Just for the poo emoji.
Yeah. I didn't know it was even going to turn out as a poo emoji. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
That was a joke. Adults, you might not get it, but your kids are going to love it.
Yeah, isn't. Come on. Oh.
I swear that's from Back to the Future. This is so fun. Don't lick it. Don't lick it. It's so gross.
No.
Don't worry. He always does this. It's not a new thing to him. He normally always does it. Okay.
Yeah, I always
This is taking quite a long time to spread.
For it all on?
Yeah.
Like a weirdo.
I keep putting lots on. That'll probably do.
No, some more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a lid on. So you're just going to spread. Oh, yeah. Definitely too much. Definitely. Look, guys. I think I did pretty well, guys. Do you think? I'm sorry if you hear me singing a lot, guys. It's just, I love singing.
Despicable me. You're like one of the trolls, aren't you?
Yeah.
Except for Branch. I'm like Branch.
You hate singing, even though you just did it.
Yeah.
Jacob, you sung on camera.
The only thing
Mine is
song
done.
I like is Despicable Me.
So mine's pretty much done. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on. Come each.
And now
The cheddar mixture of mozzarella.
okay.
Smells nice. It doesn't smell old. It smells really new. That's what it is for you guys. Sprinkle it on. Just spread it out. Oh, put in the comments below what cheese you like. My favourite is halloumi and halloumi and mozzarella and brie. They're all my favourites. This is starting to look pretty good. You're just going to have to spread it out with your fingers. We washed our hands as we told you in the beginning, I hope. I don't know. I'm very careful. Oh, this looks like a cheese pizza.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead with some of the sweet corn, guys. Can you see this?
I'm going head into the peppers.
This is so fun. I don't know.
Is it really going to turn out as a unicorn, guys?
I don't know. I'm not making a unicorn. I'm just making a pizza thingy. I was going to make a unicorn. He's making Kai.
Pepperoni.
Guys,
Snap it.
in the comments below, I'll leave a thing, like a comment, obviously, in the comments. I'll leave a comment to what cinema you can watch Ninjago movie in.
Yeah.
We watched it, and it was such a good film.
Yeah. I'm going to tell you what Lloyd says. I wish what my father.
Believe me, kids, he's not always like this.
Now
Now it's time for the tomatoes. I'm just gonna go get some tomatoes. Bingo. No, let me make a smiley face. Okay.
I'm still making.
Oh yeah, I made a smiley face. It actually looks like a fly a little bit. So my pizza is pretty much done.
Whoa! I have room to do another ninja.
Who's that?
Kai.
So this is pretty much
I'm making another Kai.
my
I'm making so
touch.
many Kais.
I'm gonna
you
put some
won't
ham in.
believe.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, I
I think my second Kai is gonna be better than my first Kai.
You like putting 2 Kais on one pizza.
No, I'm doing 3 Kais on one pizza.
Okay, guys, put in the comments below if you like singing. I really like it. I don't like singing, but it just makes me. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and put some olives in. Sprinkle. That looks pretty much done to me. I don't really want to put anything else. I don't like pepperonis or red onions. No, I need to put pepper in. Who doesn't like pepper?
I done the episode Kai right here and the movie Kai. And then now
I
I'm
need to
gonna
put some more cheese
and
in.
now I'm gonna do Kai's sword. Awesome.
Awesome. When Jacob's finished, we're gonna go put it in an oven. Are you
this
finished?
one.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
So I'll see you when these are out the oven.
I'm just
I'll
gonna
see you then, dudes.
Bye bye.
So these have been in the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes. Always get an adult to help you. I'm going to take a bite out of it to like test if it's good.
I'm gonna say mine.
It tastes pretty good. It tastes a lot better than like stuffed crust. So this is a pretty good dinner. 5 stars definitely. Tastes pretty professional.
Yeah.
We're gonna get on and eat our dinner
Yeah.
because
And
can't video eating it all. So please like.